for joining me today. Guess what just arrived? You guessed it, my paper pumpkin for the month of July 2023. I'm so excited about this one because it's got all these beachy colors and bright and beautiful. So let's open this up together. Let me turn the camera down. All right, well, technically we're not opening it up together because I did take the shrink wrap off and I was so excited to see what was inside that I even cut the packaging open. Yeah, I know, terrible, right? So we've got this really fun stamp set, with some cool sayings. Let's see if I have something that, paper. Let's take out one of the envelopes so that you could see what this looks like. The stamps, you can actually read them. All right, here we go. So we've got relax, you deserve it, wish you were here, sunshine, a starfish, hello sunshine, sending sunshine to, sorry I was crabby. That's so cool, isn't that cute? Sorry I was crabby. Waving hello, I see, like SEA, brighter days ahead, sending an ocean of love. Aren't those cools? And look at what else that's cool. These envelopes, aren't they bright and cheerful? Look at this. Wouldn't you want to get this in the mail? I would. So let's pull this all out here. Let's see. So we have our instructions. It shows what the cards will look like once they're finished. Full color and very detailed. Pretty cool, right? Isn't that cool? Look at how bright. Oh my gosh, look how fun this is. They're fun folds. Wow. I don't remember Stampin' Up! Ever doing a fun fold for one of the paper pumpkins. How cool is that? Oh my gosh. So fun. Oh, look at this one here. This is an alternative using a shaker card. That's so fun. I think I might actually try that one with one of them. So I don't usually do the alternatives, but why not? So let's see, we have a tear and tape. We have some embellishments here, some clear dots, really pretty. And we have our envelopes. And then let's see, here are the cards. So these are the card bases. And I do have one folded up already. So isn't that cool? Look at this. It's a fun fold. It's a sidestep card. How fun is that? Oh my gosh, I love it. I actually did a video a while back. You'll have to go check that out on how to make this. It's so easy. So easy. So anyway, these are fun. And then we have some cutouts here that are probably going to go on the front of the cards. Some more cutouts. Oh, this is going to be so cool. I can't wait to get started making this. Oh my gosh, look at these. Fun. Aren't they fun? Look how cool. I just love the beach. Unfortunately, my family doesn't like the beach, so I'm kind of stuck not getting to go to the beach. But this year, we are going on a cruise, so I'm so excited because I'll be spending lots of time on the beach. Very excited about that. And what do we have here? Are these stickers? No, these aren't stickers, but aren't they cool? Look at this crab, pink crab. And then these flip-flops here, some seashells, sunglasses, starfish. So much fun. We have our tags. What else do we have? Ooh, some Adirondack chairs. Aren't those fun? Look at that. Oh my gosh. Then we have the wonderful dots, the glue dots. And let's see, what color is this? And our ink spot is Daffodil Delight. So cool, so pretty. Can't wait to make these. Oh my gosh, these are going to be so fun. I can't wait. Can't wait. So the ordering period for this unfortunately has passed, but if you do become a Paper Pumpkin subscriber, A, I will send you a gift when you subscribe, and B, as a subscriber, if you did miss one of the kits and they do have them available, you can actually go on and order the kit through my Stampin' Up website, but you have to be a subscriber in order to do that. So Just thought you'd want to know that if you're interested. And yeah, so if you're interested in the paper pumpkin, it's really fun. So it's a kit in a box, and you subscribe monthly, or you can go onto my Stampin' Up website and you could do prepaid subscriptions where you could do a month. You can do 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, and a 12-month subscription. But those you order directly from my website. From the Paper Pumpkin website, you would do the month to month. So every month you can get a new paper pumpkin. And the nice thing about that is, let's say you don't like the teaser, because they never show you the exact cards that you're going to get in the kit. But if you don't like the teaser, then you can suspend that month, and then it'll pick up the following month. Same thing goes for the prepaid subscriptions. If you don't want to get that particular one, just go into your account, suspend that month, and then it'll pick up on the following month. So pretty easy, very basic. And if you are interested in the becoming a Paper Pumpkin subscriber, I'd be more than happy to help you get started. Please feel free to contact me. My contact information can be found in the description, which is below the video. Click on that. All right, gang, have a great day. Happy stamping. Bye.